Tom, are you free to meet today at 2 p.m.? I want to talk regarding how to invest my money.
Hi Shan, yes, I'm free today, so we can meet in the usual place and see you later.
Hi Tom, nice to meet you after so long. How are you?
I'm fine.
Actually, I called you to ask regarding investment plan. You know, now everything is, the price is so expensive. The groceries, all the price is also so expensive. I thought I could use my extra money to do some investment instead of just saving in the bank.
Yeah, so I actually have some recommended investment product that I would like to show you. So you want to see?
Okay, can you?
So these are the videos that I would like to show you.
Hi, let me introduce an investment product for you. If you are a student, a risk-averse investor, and don't know where to invest your money, today let me introduce a product for you, which is ASMB Unit Trust. And Amanat Saham Nasional Berhad ASMB is a well-known unit trust management company in Malaysia, and it is a subsidiary of the Permodalan Nasional Berhad PMB and offer various unit trust funds aimed at helping Malaysians invest and grow their wealth. So there are some characteristics of ASMB unit trust, which is number one. ASMB is backed by Malaysian government and provide a sense of security and trust. And many ASMB funds are designed to offer stable and low-risk investment options. And the advantages of the ASMB unit trust is this is the most safety investment because it is the government backing and a focus on a stable return and make this ASMB unit trust attractive to the risk-averse investor, and it is easily for the Malaysian to invest with a low minimum investment requirement. And we can easily invest in this ASMB unit trust via the apps in our mobile phones. And the disadvantages of this ASMB unit trust, which is ASMB unit trust, are generally low to medium risk, which might not appeal to the investor who are seeking for the high return. And the management and other fees can overall reduce the return of the investment. And the example of this unit trust, which is Amanat Saham Bumiputra, Amanat Saham Nasional, and Amanat Saham Malaysia. So in the conclusion, ASMB unit trust provide a secure and professional managed way for Malaysians to invest and grow their wealth.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm your financial advisor and would like to introduce you a type of investment, which is REIT. Let me ask you a question. Do you heard about REIT before? No? Then do you plan to invest in real estate property? You mean yes, but just lack of capital? I see. And that's why I would like to recommend REIT for you. REIT refers to real estate investment trust, which is slightly similar to unit trust but in the form of property. REIT has become more popular in this recent year, and one of the reasons is REIT do not need to pay corporate tax, so the corporate group start to focus on this market. For investors, they can invest funds in a diversified portfolio of real estate under professional management. Invest in REIT is more liquidity, transparency, and less risky compared to direct property investment. Direct property investment require a huge amount of capital in the beginning, and this makes individual investors hard to start their investment in this sector. But if invest in REIT, there's a professional management helps in managing the REIT and create a regular income stream. This helps to reduce the investor risk even if their knowledge about real estate property is not enough. Due to the REIT regulation, the REIT company has to distribute 90% of income as dividend to enjoy its corporate tax exemption. Therefore, the REIT is a high-yield investment with decent capital gain. There are 18 REIT listed in Malaysia, and some of the famous REIT would be IGB REIT, Pavilion REIT, Sunway REIT, and so on. If you have a dream to own the famous shopping mall, you may achieve your dream through investing in REIT. If you want to know more, you may contact me for further information. Thank you.
Everyone says to achieve financial freedom, you need to start investing. But how? There are a lot of ways. Let me introduce one of the investment product for you, which is fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is a highly attractive and secure investment option for those seeking stability and predictable returns. It allows the investor to deposit a lump sum of money for a predetermined period at a fixed interest rate. Upon maturity, the investor receives the principal amount along with the accumulated interest. One of the advantages of fixed deposit is their safety and stability because they are typically backed by the financial strength of the issuing bank. Additionally, fixed deposits are simple to understand, making them an excellent choice for novice investors or those who prefer low-risk investment. However, fixed deposits also have some disadvantages. One of that is it generally offers lower returns compared to other investment options like stock or mutual funds. And another point to consider is the penalty for early withdrawal, which can erode your earnings if you need to access your funds before the maturity. In short, whether you are saving for a short-term goal or building a safety net for the future, fixed deposit is a good choice for conservative investors because it provides a reliable and hassle-free investment solutions. So, what are you waiting for? Let's invest now.
Hi everyone, when we talk about investment products, I believe you must be listening to stocks. But do you really understand what is stocks? Stocks or equities represent ownership of a company. They are a key component of investment portfolios due to their potential for high return. Stocks are highly liquid investment products that gives return in the form of capital gains and dividends. There are two types of stocks which are common and preferred. Common stocks offer voting rights and dividends, while preferred stocks usually provide fixed dividend but no voting rights. Besides that, they are a popular option for those who want to increase their wealth because historically they outperform other asset classes in the long run. The primary advantage of stocks is their potential for significant returns and income through dividends. However, they come with a high volatility and the risk of substantial losses, requiring careful research and knowledge of the companies and markets. So here are 4 investment strategies in stocks, and the first one is growth investing, in which we have to focus on fast-growing company, and the second one is value investing, which looks for undervalued stocks, and the third one is dividend investing, where investors have to choose the stocks that pay a high return. And the last one is index investing, involves buying funds that track a market index. In short, stocks are attractive for their potential growth and income, but remember to make a careful decision making and strategy diversification to reduce your risk.
2, 3.
So this is the last video. How do you feel?
Okay.
3.
Thank you so much, Hong. You have enlightened me with so many ideas how to use my extra money. I will definitely try one of these, and if any problem or anything, I will call you to ask your guidance. Thank you, Hong.